waiting all day for this. I'm gonna go on the roof and eat this pudding.
Why don't you watch where you're going, man?
You're the one who crashed into me! But the cleaning lady goes into the men's bathroom all the time, and that's supposed to be private too, isn't it? That's part of her job.
Serious, hardworking dazai.
How wretched. It's a cursed object. As part of cleanup duty, it is our job to banish it. Oh man, what's he gonna do? All done. That's it. Onward, men.
Are we really still doing this?
Yeah, I went and rubbed my eye with dirty hands.
That's nasty, man! Wash your damn hands!
So, are the rest of those bandages covering up some kind of big injury too, then?
No, it is in order to keep my powers under wraps.
You could use a bandage right over that big mouth of yours.
Eating this would kill me, but I don't want to suffer beforehand.
Dazai! It's urgent. Is Mr. Kunikita here?
Wait, my glasses. What's wrong?
Be gone at once!
Is that you, Chuya?
Hey, don't talk to me like you know me, punk!
Wake up! Wake up! Wake up!